Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. We're excited to demonstrate archiving data from Maximo in under 10 minutes using MX Archive. We expect that you'll be just as excited about this as we are. Let's get logged in. This is our dashboard that tells us about the system status. We'll be covering this in more detail in other videos. Since we promised archiving Maximo data in 10 minutes, let's get right to the meat. MX Archive is application aware to a certain extent. We have defined 3 applications to our demonstration installation, one of which is Maximo. In the case of Maximo, the product is already aware of how to form relationships, and that saves us a lot of tedious work. Application data is stored in repositories of different types. Our demonstration installation has 3 repositories defined: a live installation of Maximo with the Bedford MaxDemo database, a DB2 archive, and an Elasticsearch Analytics archive. This demonstration will migrate data from the live Oracle database into the archival DB2 database. Rule sets are where all the magic happens. These define the relationships between various objects that may span multiple repositories. Today we're working with work orders. When we open the rule set, so you can see the objects we are touching. These tables are all part of Maximo's work order hierarchy. The rules defined in the rule set instruct MX Archive how to traverse your relationships efficiently and safely for archive and purge operations. The final piece of the puzzle is the job definition. Let's have a look at the work order job. The job definition allows us to define operations such as archive, purge, and undo purge, as well as running in a simulation mode and enabling analytics either separately or in combinations. The simulation mode performs all of the work on all of the target systems, but leaves the data unchanged. This allows you to estimate system workloads and review systems actions before you commit to anything destructive. For those of us who have never had a user that didn't validate their data and had to recover data, MX Archive has the undo purge operation as well. This operates off of the internal redo logs quickly and safely to restore data according to the same rules that it was purged by. Since this is already set up the way we want it, let's go ahead and launch it. This is where you have the opportunity to alter job parameters before you actually launch it. For example, you might want to override the archive date with a particular date instead of the macro for today's date. This was already set up the way we want it, so we just kicked it off. And the job is launched successfully, and we're already moving data. And it's complete. We've copied a few thousand rows of data in the Maximo work order hierarchy from a running Maximo instance to an archival database in just under 2 minutes.